it's Mira from Ronin Scooter PH. Welcome to Ronin Dojo! Today, I'll be talking about how to set up your Ronin Alpha 2.0. No worries, you don't have to install anything. All you have to do is unfold the scooter and tighten up some screws, which will be also discussed in this video. So let's start! Step 1. Unbox the scooter. In the box, you will find Ronin Alpha 2.0, charger, manual, power cable, and toolkit. Step 2. Unfold the scooter. To unfold the scooter, press down the lock and lift the stem until the click sound to make sure it's locked. Step 3 is the handlebar. It's easy, all you have to do is lift the handlebars. It's important to hear the clicking sound to make sure the handles are locked in place. If you're having hard time locking the handlebars in place, no worries, all you have to do is use the tool to tighten up the screw inside the bar. Use the number 3, like this, and there you go. Step 4 is the handlebar components. We intentionally loosen up some screws to make it safer for the scooter structure on shipment. For the throttle, we use number 3. Adjust the throttle to preferred position, then tighten up the screw below. Use the same number 3 of the Allen wrench to do the same for the light button. Then use number 5 of Allen wrench for the brake. Step 5 is the adjustment of stem height. Pull up the stem to your preferred height and close the stem lock. There. Step 6 is the quality check for the components. Long press this power button to turn on the scooter and click on the mode button to change gear. Top speed of gear 1 is 22. Top speed of gear 2 is 33, and top speed of gear 3 is 45. Initial setting of Ronin Alpha 2.0 is kickstart for the safety of the rider. So this is gear 1, gear 2, gear 3. The battery of Ronin Alpha 2.0 is already factory charged, so you can test it right away. Please take note that it is always advisable not to drain the battery for healthy battery life. I hope you had fun watching this video. Remember, ride safe and stay safe. Ronin, peace!